The VEVOR Utility Sink Pump is designed to be both durable and reliable, featuring a corrosion-resistant cast aluminum construction and an oil-filled copper wire motor for long-lasting performance. With an impressive flow rate of 3,500 gallons per hour and a maximum head of 28 feet, this pump ensures rapid water removal, making it ideal for keeping your basement dry. The automatic float switch provides precision control by activating the pump only when needed, which not only conserves energy, but also extends the life of the pump. The oil-filled motor is engineered to minimize noise and vibration, allowing for a quieter operation that will not disturb your peace or that of your neighbors. Installation is straightforward, with no need for complex setups, allowing you to quickly connect the pump, vertical switch, and discharge pipe to your drainage system. This under-sink sump pump system is perfect for those seeking a hassle-free solution to prevent water accumulation in areas like basements and laundry rooms.